So if you are having trouble getting on, I will help you with that later. To find the course lesson for today, what you have to do is you have to go into the Schoology course. So you have to go to our Schoology course, and you have to go to our block, so block 2, geometry. Once you're in the block 2 geometry, we did week 1. Week 1 was before. From now on, in this class, it'll be broken up by units, just because that's how I already have it. So unit 1 is what we're looking at this week. And there's lots of definitions just because it's starting with a new chapter, totally new subject. So you have to understand a few things about it. So it's important to watch 1.1 if you have not done that already. The notes can be found. Here's the recording from yesterday. So if you need to find the recording can be found on the top. If you want to find the notes are right here. So 1.1, these are the notes. 1.2, these are the notes. So these are the notes that I'm about to show you. Yeah. No. What's that? Yes. In the binder it is. Sorry, we're not really using, kind of got away from the textbook. Yeah, sorry. There's another textbook, but I'm not going to give you that because I like this other curriculum better, and it fits pretty close to the book that I have in the cabinet. That unless you want a copy, I'm not going to assign you a copy. But yeah, these are all lined up with what I gave you in the notebook. So it goes through, and it goes through each of the questions on the notes page. In your notebook, there's some other stuff. There's an application, and there might be some practice exercises. We might do those in class. My goal is to really spend a lot of time doing proofs in class. So we're going to use the proofs. So when there's applications, we're going to do the proof ones. We're going to go over how to do proofs once we get started with that, because proofs would be really terrible to do if we were doing online. All right, so we have to do proofs in class. So, and if you see me doing stuff, it's because people aren't wearing their masks right. So there you go. So homework 1.1. Today we're doing homework 1.2. So once you watch the notes, then you can do the assessment, which is on 1.2. You get 3 total chances to do the assignment. On some of them, I have to grade manually. So if there's not a score in there, you might want to wait until I grade manually. If you did it yesterday and I don't know if there were any manually that I had to grade. I didn't get to those yesterday mainly because it was my birthday and I just didn't feel like doing them on my birthday. So I'll try and grade them today and get those in there graded if you need me to do those. All right, so 1.1, 1.2 is what we're doing today. Thank you. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch 1.2, measuring segments. We're going to take notes, and then we're going to do 1.2. So everybody who's online, if you want to, you can do 1.2. You can watch notes on your own, and you can do 1.2 on your own. So homework 1.2. I have you guys checked in already. So that's good. You don't have to stick around unless you want to. I'm going to probably actually kick you off just because I know that if I record their message, it's like a copyright infringement. So go ahead and on your computer, everybody who's online, go ahead and watch 1.2, take notes on that, and then do homework 1.2. That's what we're doing. So you guys are good to go for that. All right. I'm going to end that recording.